Standing at the edge of a new web project feels like staring at a massive wall of tools. Every single option claims to be the gold standard. You see names like Nuxt, Vue, and Laravel thrown around in every developer circle. People often treat them like rivals in a high-stakes race. In reality, they are more like different parts of a high-performance machine. The one that focuses on that vital first impression is a great place to begin. Nuxt is essentially the high-octane version of a front-end framework. It takes the groundwork of building a site and automates the hardest parts of the process. The primary reason developers reach for it is the sheer speed it brings to the table. It also solves the biggest headache in modern web design. That headache is getting noticed by search engines. Most modern sites wait until they reach a user's browser to actually assemble their components. Nuxt changes that pattern entirely. It prepares your content on the server before it travels across the internet. When a visitor lands, the content is already there. It feels instantaneous. This is a massive game changer for online stores or professional blogs where every second counts. If you want search engines to find your content easily, this is the path you take. Now look at the engine under that hood. Vue is the framework that actually makes Nuxt possible in the first place. It is a front-end tool used to build the parts of a site that people touch and interact with every single day. It is famous for being incredibly easy to learn. It stays out of your way and lets you work how you want. You can use it for one small feature on a single page, or let it run the entire application. However, there is a natural trade-off to consider. Standard Vue runs mostly in the browser. This can make it a bit of a ghost to search engines. That is why it is the go-to choice for private dashboards or complex internal tools. If being found by a search engine is not your main goal, the flexibility of Vue is hard to beat. Moving deeper into the structure, we find the powerhouse in the back. Laravel is fundamentally different from the other two. It lives on the server and relies on a language called PHP. While the other two focus on the visuals, Laravel is obsessed with your data. It is the sturdy backbone of the operation. It handles your database, your user security, and your account management. It is a massive toolkit that provides everything you need right out of the box. You could build a functioning website using nothing but this one tool. Many developers use it as the heavy-duty brain that powers the front-end frameworks. You get the best of both worlds this way. You have a secure, data-driven engine in the back and a lightning-fast interface in the front. It is not about which tool is better in a vacuum. It is about what your specific goal requires for success. You look at your project and ask if you need to be found by the world, or if you need to manage a mountain of complex user data. Once you know that answer, the choice between these three becomes very clear. These are the building blocks of how we experience the internet today. Using them together creates a seamless flow that makes the web feel alive. It is a balance between the visual and the functional. Every project has a different heart. Some need the speed of a pre-rendered page. Others need the raw power of a deep database. Knowing where to put your energy is the secret to building something that actually lasts.